randomizer on this is Zachary Will. I got the powder blue full-size Jim Gantner there. 10 spots. We're live. We are live. 9:52 p.m. 9:52 p.m. Grab a list. And we will drop it into random. 10 entries. Bobblehead Jake on top. Jeff Scott on the bottom. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, that's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again, 5 or higher. 4, looking for a 5 or higher. Alright, let's see how many times you got to go here. There we go, 6. Going 6 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Dice is 6. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 6. Congrats, Jeff Scott. Spot number 4. You are the winner. Get in touch with Zachary Will and get your bobblehead. We are done. 9:53 p.m. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 9:53. 9:53. Here is verification and timestamp.